Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we will explore UnitedHealth Group in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 17th day of April in the year 2025, our system has ranked UnitedHealth Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.48. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has incurred a loss of 35.72%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.70% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated within the lower range of a very broad and declining trend in the short term, which may represent a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $272.26 be breached, it will initially signal a stronger rate of decline. Analyzing the present 3-month trend indicates a potential negative change of approximately 19.08% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns fluctuating between -24.53% and positive 52.27%. In terms of the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a decrease of around 12.36%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could vary between -17.74% and positive 77.56% over the next year. This would suggest a future price range of between $240.13 and $518.30. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group highlights that the stock price increased by more than 6.4% on Friday. The UnitedHealth Group stock price rose by 6.4% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 16th of May, 2025. The price moved from $274.35 to $291.91. Throughout that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 9.42%, with a low of $269.14 and a high of $294.48. For the past 10 days, the price has declined on 8 occasions, resulting in a total decrease of 27.01% during that period. Additionally, the trading volume dropped by 50 million shares on the last day, with a total of 69 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $20 billion and $30 million. It's important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate a divergence, potentially signaling upcoming changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a highest price of $630.73 and a lowest price of $248.88. Currently, the stock price stands 53.72%, or $338.82, below the 52-week high of $630.73, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. UnitedHealth Group is currently facing significant turmoil, with its stock experiencing a drop of more than 30% recently. This decline is largely attributed to a criminal investigation regarding potential Medicare fraud. As a result, there has been a major sell-off, causing shares to fall over 60% from their all-time highs. The repercussions are ongoing, as the company is also dealing with a securities class action lawsuit and the recent resignation of CEO Andrew Whitty, who stepped down just 1 day prior to this troubling news. Despite these challenges, analysts have mixed opinions. Deutsche Bank has maintained its buy rating on UnitedHealth, indicating a belief in the company's long-term recovery prospects. Additionally, prominent investor Andreas Halvorsen is wagering on a rebound, suggesting some level of confidence in this troubled stock. Meanwhile, Stephanie Link of Hightower has actively increased her holdings in UnitedHealth, signaling a belief that the stock may be undervalued at its current levels. In the short term, the negative news and ongoing investigations are likely to exert downward pressure on the share price. fostering a cautious sentiment among investors. However, if the company can effectively navigate these legal challenges and regain the confidence of its stakeholders, there could be a potential path for recovery in the long term. Investors will need to carefully consider these factors as they evaluate their positions in UnitedHealth. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 14th of May 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned an overweight rating to UNH coupled with a hold action. On the same day, the 14th of May 2025, Raymond James rated UNH as market perform with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 13th of May 2025, RBC Capital issued an outperform rating for UNH with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April 2025, HSBC rated UNH as a hold, accompanied by a downgrade action. On Monday, the 21st of April 2025, Cowen and Company awarded UNH a buy rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned UnitedHealth Group stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, and so far, it has risen 6.4%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could influence the near-term developments. The UnitedHealth Group stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative forecast for the stock. Moreover, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be some resistance at the levels of $332.94 and $454.20. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots signaled a buy 2 days ago. Bollinger showed a buy signal 25 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 22 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 19 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 22 days ago. The long-term moving average similarly indicated a sell signal 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 17 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $274.35. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased, as a drop below the support could result in a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience substantial movement throughout the day, characterized by high volatility. And with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $25.35 between its high and low points, equating to a change of 9.42%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 7.82%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either subdued expectations for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 15th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $6.44. It is wise to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $308.01. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, UnitedHealth Group encounters its first support level at $274.35. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Conway Patrick Hugh, who bought and sold 42,360 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive with a ratio of 66.027. In total, insiders purchased 345,741 shares and sold 70,439 shares in these last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? Currently, UnitedHealth Group presents several negative signals and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will continue to show weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this stock has shifted from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 19th of May, we expect UnitedHealth Group to open lower by $6.74, starting at $285.18. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.